Here's my 2001 FADAL 4020 machining center. It's in great condition. It has the FADAL 32MP controller. It has the upgraded LED screen or LCD screen. It does have the 32MP where you can switch it over to the computer mode, but I don't have it hooked up in there. The wires are disconnected just for the power, just because I don't use that, so I've never used that myself. It's supposed to have Gibbs and everything inside of that also, but I just export my files from outside into here through the RS-232 port, so I never use that function, but it does have it built into there. It has the servo coolant, so you can, the programmable coolant, so it programs for, if you have a longer tool in there, it'll automatically, if you set it in the controller, it'll read that it's a longer tool and it'll shoot the coolant down further for that, and if it's a smaller tool, it'll shoot it up farther. It has the side tool changer on it, which is pretty sought after. I haven't seen a lot of these with those. It's a pretty quick tool change. I believe it holds 24 or 22 tools inside of it. It has the dual work lights. That was added extra. It has extended memory inside of it. It's a really nice machine. So I'll just kind of walk you around the outside here, show you the outside of it, and then I'll show you inside the servo box there so you can see how clean that is, and then I'll start it up and walk you through it. So here's the sides and the back. It's got the Henning chip conveyor. Really nice machine. I'll show you inside the electrical box here where the components are at. Nice and clean. Very well taken care of machine. You see there's no dirt or dust or anything up inside of here. Everything works like it should. Now I'll walk you around here and put it through some paces here. Go into jog mode, do the Z. You can hear the Z axis, nice and smooth, no chatter, no noise whatsoever. You can't hear it at all. You can see it's oiling itself, so the oiler's working like it should. Here's the Z axis, same thing, no noise whatsoever, no problems, no backlash in the ball screws. Same thing with the X, no noises. So let's go over here and I'll do a tool change for you. Here's some keys that I replaced on here because they were dirty and grungy and you couldn't really see anything. And you can't buy these keys, so I 3D printed these. It's two different materials, so this material will never wear off again on these, which is great. So let's go to M6. Do a tool change, tool 3. Nice and smooth, no problems. Do it again for you. M6, tool 10. Goes right up, does the tool change like it should. Nice and smooth, no problems. No weird noises. So let's let me run the spindle for you here. M3 speed, let's just go to 1500. I've already warmed it up. I don't know if this kicks it in high gear or 3000. So it has a 10,000 RPM spindle. So it does go up further than that. It's got the air through the spindle. So all you really hear is the air, you really don't hear the spindle. So let's see, let's go in, I think this puts it in high gear, 3000. Oh, M3, speed 3000. I think this puts it in a high gear here. Yep. You see it runs nice and smooth, no problems. It's a really accurate machine. That's 3000, speed 4000. It'll go all the way up to 10,000. 4,000. I probably won't go all the way up to 10, but there's 5,000. You hear nice and smooth, no problems. The M5. So then I'll go into manual. Let's go into auto mode. There's actually a program that was in here when I bought it, so let's run that. I think it's just like a drill cycle, real quick, then it comes up and does a tool change, then it comes back down and does like a real small circular pass. So we'll just run that here and check it out. Nice smooth tool change. You see there's the code. You see there, it's just kind of doing a pecking. I think it's a drill cycle. See it just hopping up slowly there. So we'll just run the program till it does a tool change. So there's, as you can see, the code there. Tool change, comes back down. Then you can see the table moving. I think it's just doing a little circle and then it goes back up. So we'll just stop that. Oh, slide hold. I'm gonna go back in the jog. Jog it back up. So that's about it. Both the work lights work inside of it. Doors work, everything's fine with that. I would replace these probably, the plexiglass there, they're a little hazed over, but other than that, that's probably the only downfall with the machine is that little haziness there, but it's no big deal. Has the chip conveyor. I have it up on casters right now just so it's easy for me to move it around. You know, I got it up for sale, so I'm not using it. It's not fully under there right now.